Hello! Now today's topic is gonna be my best trip, and that trip was to Las Vegas! Las Vegas, where there's a lot of expensive food, swimming pools, spas, dancing, and roller coasters too. So when we arrived in Las Vegas, we took a maybe 6-hour car ride to Las Vegas from California to Las Vegas. And first we entered our hotel called Planet Hollywood, and we were checked in, and later on we started going to parties, going to the pool, small water parks, shopping and malls, and also everything was conveniently close. And also the transportation was easy, maybe a taxi, an Uber, or maybe just taking the bus was also very convenient. What was also very nice was the luxurious spas where people give you a massage or do your hair. And just very different luxurious things. So that was my best trip in Las Vegas, and I hope you can go there. Bye!